comprendre,
means to understand. In this video, we will learn the verb to understand in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is the third group verb, and one of the most important verbs in French. If you know the conjugation of the verb,
prendre,
this verb will be easy to understand because this verb follows exactly the same pattern. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I understand.
je comprends,
You understand in formal way.
tu comprends,
He understands, masculine.
il comprend,
She understands, feminine.
elle comprend,
We understand, or one understands, in formal way.
on comprend,
We understand, formal way.
nous comprenons,
You understand, formal way.
vous comprenez,
They understand, group of males or mixed people.
ils comprennent,
They understand, group of only females.
elles comprennent,
This French verb is used to express the action of grasping or comprehending information, ideas, or concepts. Let's use the conjugations and build some sentences. I understand the lesson.
je comprends la leçon, je comprends la leçon,
You understand the problem.
tu comprends le problème, tu comprends le problème,
He understands the question.
il comprend la question, il comprend la question,
She understands the answer.
elle comprend la réponse, elle comprend la réponse,
We understand the decision.
on comprend la décision, on comprend la décision,
We understand the situation.
nous comprenons la situation, nous comprenons la situation,
You understand the language.
vous comprenez la langue, vous comprenez la langue,
They understand the instruction.
ils comprennent l'instruction, ils comprennent l'instruction,
They understand the message.
elles comprennent le message, elles comprennent le message.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I understand.
Je comprends.
You understand. Informal way.
Tu comprends?
He understands. Masculine.
Il comprend.
She understands. Feminine.
Elle comprend.
We understand. Or, one understands. Informal way.
On comprend.
We understand. Formal way.
Nous comprenons.
You understand. Formal way.
Vous comprenez.
They understand. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils comprennent.
They understand. Group of only females.
Elles comprennent.
Verbs that follow the same pattern are listed here. In coming video, we will learn another set of verbs with different conjugation pattern. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.